Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Nissan Altima and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular factory taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint we use has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the lens. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and then with the clean microfiber towel, just go all over the lens and make sure you remove all the contaminants that the lens might have. So we're going to start with the trunk tail light piece. So to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint. And you want to start off by aligning the tint to the edge of the tail light here. So make sure you have it aligned here and also aligned right here in the bottom half. And you have enough also material to cover the top half here. Once you have the film aligned, lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, hold it in place and start tacking it down. Okay, so once you tack down this piece, now we're going to finish off by installing the rest of this piece here. So make sure while you're installing this piece, everything is aligned here. And this section of the tint is going to curve inside of the tail light here to cover the lens on the inside of the trunk. So because of that, you are going to need to stretch the film just a bit in order to reach it to this edge of the tail light. In order to stretch the film and meet it to this edge, apply Slip Solution, place it down, stretch the film, and only stretch it up until you reach this edge here. So roughly around there. Make sure you have enough material to cover the top, and it should look like this. I'll show you right now. So the film should look like this. So when you stretch the film, it should reach all the way up to this edge and down on the tail light. Once you have it in place, we can start tacking it down. Now that we stretched the film and aligned it to this edge, it's time to secure it. So apply tack solution and start tacking it down. Make sure to remove any water bubbles and all of the solution that's behind the film. Okay, once you finish tagging down, clean the area just to double check and see if you left any water or any solution behind the film. And if you see that everything's good to go, we can move on with the next install, which is this one here. To start the installation, apply Slip Solution. And with this one, we're going to start off by placing the film to the tail light. So just place it. And our first focus will be to align the film on this side and also this top piece of the tint to the top layer here. So make sure this piece is aligned first. So once it's aligned, lift the film, apply tack solution, hold it in place and tack it down. And make sure before we continue squeegeeing everything else that the film is still aligned here. Just continue tacking down, making sure everything's good to go. So just follow the line on the bottom half here. So just align it, bring the film down if you need to, and squeegee. You don't have to squeegee the whole thing. It's just more of securing this spot. So now that we tack down this piece, start installing this one. Keep in mind, this film is now going to overlap with this piece of the film on the top portion. It's just going to meet it right at the point. So it's just meeting the film, not overlapping. So make sure you cover everything on top. That way the film just meets. So as you can see, it's meeting the film. So to secure it, apply tack solution. Make sure you're covering the top section and tack it down. So remember, it's not overlapping. Now that we secure both of these sections, now we could continue on with the rest of the film on this end, stretch the film and tack it down. So to stretch the film, remove the film just a bit up to where we did not tack down. So roughly around there. Apply Slip Solution. Carefully place the film down without creasing the film. Make sure this area is dry, that way you're able to stretch. And you're only stretching the film up till you meet it to this edge, and as well from this end, you meet it up to this edge. So just stretch up to where the curve is at. So right here, you're good. right here, stretch. So you're doing only a light stretch. So we're gonna focus on this section first. So hold it in place, lift the film, apply tack solution, hold it in place, and then start tagging it down. And now that this one's secured, do the same here. If it did move, just stretch it again. Lift the film, apply tack solution, hold it in place, and then squeegee. Any fingers that you did have around here in the beginning, they should have gone away because we stretched the film. So now our main focus now is just squeegeeing all of the solution behind the film. And if you do happen to see any small fingers, you just remove them with tack solution and heat. So just focus on removing the solution from behind the film. Okay, and any small fingers we do have, just apply tack solution. And with your heat gun and a microfiber towel, just go around and start bringing those fingers down and sealing the film on the top here so it doesn't lift. Okay, so the final thing to do is just post heating the film. So it's post heat, apply tack solution all around the film and wherever we help the film meet each other, and also the edges, that way it doesn't lift over time. Use the heat gun to help the adhesive activate, and then we seal the film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tint for the 2023 Nissan Altima. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.